Hello guys, welcome. In this video we will do interactive charts, and to do that we are using IPy widgets as always, and we will start to use matplotlib, and from that library we will use pyplot module as PLT. And let me run first, later we will learn what's going on in this code. Here we just have button update chart. When I click on this button, the chart will be displayed. Here we are seeing like apple, bananas, orange fruit, grapes, mangoes, and these are the quantities. Okay, let's look at the code. We have a data here as a dictionary, apples 20. Here, like apples 20. These are the fruit's name and the quantity of that fruit. After that, we are created output widget here. Bar chart output equals widgets output, and we are defining a function as always, but there is a difference. And here, update bar chart button. We created button widgets here and description update chart here, as you can see. And we are using onClick function update bar chart button onClick update bar chart. So whenever I click on this update chart, this line, this code, run update bar chart function again. And here we used onClick, and we are here underscore. If we use observe, we will use change here. Okay, let's look at this part. Here we are creating a like chart, and we are creating that chart into like connected with pie chart output. So to do that, we are using with pie chart output column, and here if you use matplotlib before, you already know what's going on here, but let me explain. Here PLT figure size 8:4. Here 8 is inch. The width of the chart is 8 inch, and the length of the chart will be 4 inch. If you change these numbers like 8.6, I change the height. Let me run. Here, as you can see, the height is larger. Okay, I change it 4. And then PLT bar to create bar chart. We are using bar function here. And first we are giving as a list here the axis and data values. Here keys are apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, mangoes, and values are 20, 15, 18, 12, 10. And these are for x-axis, these are for y-axis. And then PLT x level fruit. Here we are seeing x level fruit, and then y level quantity. Here we are seeing quantity, and title of the chart is fruit quantity chart. We are seeing here, and to see that we are using show function, PLT show. And whenever run again, whenever I click on the update chart button here, and this function run, and when this function will run, here in the vertical box, I'm seeing update bar chart and bar chart output. So when I click the update chart, then I will create a chart connected with bar chart output. So without click on the button, bar chart output is empty. So we don't see anything here. But when I click, I created a chart with like connected with bar chart output. So I am seeing that. So if I click many times, as you can see, I can create many charts here, but all the charts are same. So if you change something here, like okay, let me show you. I think it will make you understand better. Imports like random, and each time these numbers random dot rand, like from 4 to 10, okay, each time when I click on the update chart, this program will create a chart, but the size of the chart will be randomly, like width will be a random number from 4 to 10. You also can do it 15. The length of the chart is also changed. So let me run. I run. Here, as you can see, the length is so much, but width not so much. I click again. Here, as you can see, the other chart is different. Width different. When I click, it's also different. So here we just changed the size of the figure, like chart. But here you can change the values. And if you change the values, every time you will create a new chart. But this was the simple projects, and we will do 3 more projects by using Matplotlib. I think you will understand better if you watch the next videos. But if you have anything to you didn't understand, please ask me, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.